So today in class 8 chemistry we will see the physical change that we already studied, that physical change in which no new substance are formed and are known as physical change. So if we see the characteristics, that means that is no new products are formed. There might be a change of physical properties like substance such as shape, such as size, such as color. These are the physical properties. If you see the chemical properties and composition of the original substance do not change at all. Physical change are mostly temporary and can be reversible or irreversible in nature. For example, like melting of ice, if we see, they are reversible, whereas the breaking of glass is actually physical change, but it is irreversible change. And the change in energy is less during the physical change. Physical change in case of the energy elaborate, actually it comes out, actually it is less in case of physical changes. So if we see the chemical change, the changes in which new substances are formed and their chemical changes takes place, and such changes are that is physical or chemical properties of original substance be changed, like burning, rusting, explosion, rotten of food. These are the examples. If we see the rusting of iron, that means actually Fe react with oxygen to form Fe oxide, ferric oxide, which is actually reddish brown in color, and actually it is called the rust. So if we see the process, then 4Fe plus 3 molecule of O2 react with 2 molecule of H2O, that is water vapor actually present in air, to form 2 Fe2O3 and 2 molecule of H2O. These are the main product. If we burn any substance, then also it is formed as ash, and that actually smoke in the chemical chain. So if we see the characteristics of chemical chain, then new product are formed. Chemical composition or properties of the original substance changes. Chemical changes are irreversible and permanent changes. Energy change is more during during chemical change. In case of if we compare with physical change, during a chemical change, energy is either absorbed or released. If you see the differentiation, then also only physical properties change. Here chemical properties change. Physical change is temporary, whereas chemical change is permanent. No new product form in physical change. Here new product are formed. That the energy absorbed or released actually is less, or here actually in case of chemical energy it is maximum, and then that of physical change. So if we see the sign in chemical change, that change in color, that is change in odor, change in temperature, production of heat light, and production of gases, formation of precipitate. These are the examples by which we can identify that chemical changes takes place. So next we will see the signs of a chemical change, or next also we will see the physical changes that show the sign of chemical change. So next day we will see this one.